Hello, my Malt lab mates. This is my first attempt at a short, and what I plan on doing here is giving you a very, very quick look at the box of something that's just been intook to the collection. So this is a whiskey I purchased today. I think it was 59 Canadian dollars. It's purchased at the local government liquor store. Deals could probably be had somewhere else. And I will be reviewing this shortly. For those of you who want all the minute details, here we go. If you buy a bottle of Glenlivet Founders Reserve in Canada today, this is probably what you're coming home with. And now for the cork porn. It's looking like this is going to be hard to do one-handed. Look at that magic. It's off, standard foil, and the cork top looks synthetic. Odd. Small natural cork, plastic cover.